In this video, we listed the 5 best 8K GPS drone on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AE3 5G Smart Drone. Their new AE3 5G drone boasts advanced features such as dual 8K HD cameras with a 3-axis gimbal, obstacle avoidance radar, and a brushless motor for stability. The drone, operating on a 5 GHz frequency, offers various control methods including remote control or app control, with a range of up to 1,500 meters. Equipped with a GPS system, it allows for smart following, defined routes, and one-click return. The drone's foldable design makes it portable, and it comes with a long-lasting 7.4V 3000 mAh battery providing a flight time of up to 28 minutes. Additional features include speed adjustment settings, optional obstacle avoidance, and various intelligent flight modes. The package includes spare parts, a high-definition camera, and a comprehensive instruction manual. Buyers are guided on the purchase process, express logistics, product details, and after-sales support policies, ensuring a smooth shopping experience. The drone, manufactured by Quadcopter in mainland China, is designed for aerial photography and is suitable for both novice and experienced users. Number 2. V168 8K GPS Drone. The NCZOBOE camera drone is designed for aerial photography enthusiasts with its 8K HD video recording capabilities and a maximum resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels. Weighing just 200 g, this drone can operate at a maximum distance of 3,000 meters from the remote controller, with a flight time of up to 25 minutes on a single charge. Equipped with GPS and FPV operation, this drone is suitable for users aged 14 and above. It operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency and offers a seamless connect through an app controller. The removable and replaceable battery ensures extended usage, while the inclusion of a camera with various features enhances the aerial photography experience. The drone is manufactured by NZOBO in mainland China and is categorized as a camera drone with a maximum wind speed resistance of less than 10 km per hour. Number 3. A16 PRO Drone. The drone being described here is a camera drone manufactured by Aliexpress, originating from mainland China. With a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram, it is designed for aerial photography purposes. Equipped with a GPS system, the drone operates at a frequency of 2.4 GHz with a flight time of up to 20 minutes. The camera integrated into the drone features a sensor size of 3.0 inches and has capabilities for capturing videos in 4K, 6K, and even 8K resolution, 7680 by 4320 pixels. Controlled via an app controller with 4 channels, it also comes with features like 4K HD, 6K HD, and 8K HD video recording options. With a maximum wind speed resistance of less than 10 km per hour, this drone is designed for smooth and stable aerial footage capturing. The device is categorized as a camera drone and holds CE certification for compliance with relevant standards. Number 4. Mini 8K Quadcopter. The guidelines provided emphasize the importance of safety and proficiency when operating the UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle. It is recommended to conduct the first flight outdoors in an open environment, as indoor flights with obstacles are prohibited for beginners. Users are reminded to fully charge the low-voltage batteries before use and follow specific battery care instructions to ensure longevity. The package includes essential items like the UAV, remote control, batteries, and spare parts. Different functions of the remote control and aerial app are highlighted, catering to both beginners and professionals in aerial RC airplane operation. Beginners are advised on pre-flight checks, basic controls, flight environment awareness, and gradual skill development, while professionals are encouraged to optimize equipment, learn advanced techniques, and adhere to regulations. Detailed specifications of the drone are provided, including features like 4K HD video recording, GPS, and a flight time of over 20 minutes. Additionally, the drone is identified as a camera drone with various certification markings and a brand name. The content concludes with a list of related search terms and product descriptions, highlighting the drone's capabilities for different user types. Number 5. A16 Drone. The Enzobo camera drone is designed for aerial photography and videography, with a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kg and a maximum wind speed resistance of less than 10 km per hour. It features a 1080p HD camera integrated into the drone, capable of recording high-quality videos. The drone is equipped with GPS for precise positioning and navigation, and it operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency. With a flight time of up to 40 minutes and a removable, replaceable battery, users can enjoy extended aerial exploration. The drone is controlled via an app controller, and it is recommended for users aged 14 and above. Made in mainland China, the Enzobo drone is a reliable option for capturing stunning aerial footage with its 1080p video resolution and 3.0 inches sensor size.